I had no problems driving this thing back from Carson City. I thought it was going to be a debacle. It wasn't. Hope you guys liked it. So it looks like we got this significantly cleaner than when we started here. Of course, you're not going to get everything off. We've knocked a substantial amount off of it. Some of that stuff almost looks like an undercoating or something. I don't know. And don't worry, I know that I significantly sprayed the alternator with water, but it's going to sit and dry out for the next 24 hours with no battery in it. It's going to be fine, don't worry. I've pressure washed many engines, and as long as you let them dry out afterwards, they're fine.